Good morning, everybody. And thank you so much for all of your congratulations and well wishes on my recent engagement. I really appreciate that. I appreciate all the love. I ask that you forgive my ensemble because naturally I need to get my fitness together, right? All right, so we are in second week of Vlogust, and today we're talking all about personal relationships and what you can learn from dating. So particularly because I met my soon-to-be husband on Tinder, and there's a couple of things that kind of tells all of us, right? There's certain things about the way you represent yourself, the things that you say right away about yourself, and how you're being measured up against everyone else out there in the public that really puts you in a position to show your best light. And anytime that you want to nurture a personal relationship with anyone, when it comes to business and networking, you want to think about what it is that you have to value first. It's a lot of self-reflection and a lot of self-evaluation. When you're looking and walking into a new opportunity, whether that's a new networking opportunity or you're looking to connect with new people or you're prospecting, the number one thing that you want to concern yourself with is how you can add value to the relationship. Hi, thank you for joining me. Thank you, Jodelle. So it's a good thing that when you're putting together all of your positioning yourself in your business is thinking about what can you offer in the relationship? What does your business do better than the next 1,000 businesses that are out there, and highlighting those things so that other people can see it. Hi, Cynthia. Thank you for jumping in. So today we're talking all about personal relationships and what dating can teach us about connecting with others. What are some of the red flags that you have when you're dating someone? I know for me, I don't connect well with people who don't treat other people well. Let's say we're going out to a restaurant or we're connecting with doing something out and about in the public, and they're mean to the staff. That says something to me about your integrity with others. Hey, Matthew, thanks for jumping in. So when you're here inside of an opportunity to connect with new people, it's important that you look at how they've been able to treat others and think about how they can treat you. Now, when you're looking to connect with different friends or different networks, it might be important for you to find people who are also interested in the same types of things that you're interested in. So that means if you're working in sales, you might want to connect with other people who are doing well in sales, people who are working in industries that can support the types of products that you're trying to share in your marketplace. Or you might want to look toward people who can complement the things that you have to offer. Now, that being the case, you want to make sure that you're expressing that need and expressing what it is that you want. On my Instagram page, I talked a little bit about one of the Christmases I had with an aunt of mine who, bless her heart, she had prepared to buy me a Barbie and all this different stuff, but she didn't take the time to ask me what I wanted. So at the end of the day, I ended up not getting a gift because I didn't give her the alternative of the thing that I wanted to get instead. So when you're connecting with people and you're building relationships and you're building friendships with people, you need to think about what it is that you have to offer and also what it is that you expect to get from that relationship, right? So I want to invite all of you all out to our event that we're having in Wynwood in Florida tomorrow. We are having an awesome event called Product Pitch because Flourish Media are associate producers on a reality television show called America's Real Deal. Don't want to get that wrong. And it is a pitch competition show. And we want to give you guys more of the things that we've learned over this time that we've been part of that project. And because of that, we have some amazing filmmakers and some film professionals who are going to be on location at the venue to help you walk through your pitch to feel more comfortable on camera, even when you're in your workout clothes. All right, guys, thank you so much again for being here, and we will connect again tomorrow for Vlogust. Thank you again for all your well wishes on my recent engagement. I'm certainly very happy about it. All right, bye.